Investing like the smart money. For years, market mavens, financial professionals, and institutional investors, let's call them the smart money, have been investing more in alternative assets, not traditional stocks and bonds. And by doing so, they have consistently achieved attractive returns and have significantly outperformed a typical investor's portfolio. Examples of alternative assets would be venture capital, hedge funds, and private equity real estate investments. Until recently, only wealthy individuals and institutional investors could get involved in these assets. That's where Equiton comes into the picture. Equiton makes private real estate investments available to the average Canadian to help them responsibly build wealth and save for retirement. So what is private equity, and why should you consider it as part of your investment strategy? A private equity real estate investment is a fund that consists of a variety of real estate assets. They can range from investments in income-producing properties such as apartments or office buildings, real estate development projects, financing properties, and lending. You can own a piece of a large residential or commercial real estate portfolio by investing in private equity real estate. These funds are not traded on the stock exchange. They are direct investments in a company. And because they are not subject to emotional volatility like publicly listed stocks, private investments can provide stability, true diversification, and potentially better risk-adjusted returns over the long term. Private investments are a valuable part of an investment strategy. They are where the smart money is and has always been. For most people, real estate investing is limited to home ownerships. Some have dabbled in buying and flipping homes, and others have invested in rental units and become landlords. Very few, however, can purchase an apartment building, office tower, or industrial warehouse, and fewer still will ever get involved in lending or large-scale development projects. Private real estate investments offer an alternative and intelligent way to invest in real estate. They provide you with the ability to participate in real estate investments that you might not otherwise be able to make on your own and give you a more diversified real estate portfolio. You can gain access to this lucrative market without the hefty financial burden and time commitment. Of course, you can always choose to make direct investments in real estate yourself. We call this active investing. You're doing all the work. You have to find the cash or a financing partner, and you may be limited in the types of real estate that you can buy or run. It requires a great deal of time and can be very stressful. Also, depending on the way you invest, any profit that you make might be immediately taxed. With passive real estate investing, on the other hand, you rely on a seasoned real estate expert like Equiton to get you access to a wide variety of real estate types. We secure financing, negotiate, and actively manage the properties. You still have the benefits of actual ownership, but without the headaches and obligations associated with active ownership. Best of all, you can use registered funds such as RSPs or TFSAs, which is something you can't do with active investing. Currently, Equiton offers 2 real estate investment funds. Our Balanced Real Estate Fund invests in a diverse mix of real estate assets, including income-producing properties, real estate, financing, and development. Investors receive the yield from the rental and lending income, profits from the development projects, and growth from the underlying properties. Our Apartment Fund specializes in residential income properties like apartment buildings. Investors in the fund receive the yield from the rental income and participate in the growth of the underlying properties. With a single-minded focus on real estate investments, such as commercial and residential real estate properties, developments, and financing, we've been able to build an enviable track record of exceptional results and exponential growth. We're making private real estate investments accessible to everyone, so everyone can achieve their financial goals. Isn't it time you took your portfolio to the next level and started investing like the smart money? Let Equiton show you a more innovative way to invest in real estate. If you want to learn more about Equiton's private real estate investment funds, click on the link below to book a meeting or send us an email. Our team would be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to connecting.